Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends. So this is a problem based on again calculation of probability. This is a simple version. We are just solving a simple version just to recall what we have done in the past from problem number 1 to 14 so far. Problem number 12 and 14 was based on cost calculation or calculating the bid price of the project. Those two were the most typical problems. Whereas this problem number 15 is a general problem where you are supposed to calculate only the probability. Let's read the problem and continue further. The owner of a chain of fast food restaurant is considering a new computer system for accounting and control of inventory. Following information is sent about the project for installation of computer system. So these are the activities A to I. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So we have a good number of activities. We are given the predecessors and we are given the optimistic, pessimistic and the most likely time. And we are asked to construct a arrow diagram for this problem, identify the critical path and the expected completion time, and determine the probability of completing the project in 55 days. So this is the kind of problem which is most likely asked in the exam for maybe around 7 to 10 marks. Ideally it should come for 8 marks, जहाँ पे they will ask you to calculate the critical path, variance, standard deviation, and then they will ask you to calculate probability by giving certain number of days, or they might ask you to calculate the days by giving some kind of probability. Either of the two or vice versa will work out. So this is an ideal problem for an exam situation. So let's try to work it out. First we'll draw the diagram and then we'll proceed further. डायग्राम बनाते हैं सबसे पहले. मेरे पास सबसे पहले आएगा ए के बाद बी, ए के बाद सी. सो ये रहा मेरा सबसे पहले ए के बाद बी और ए के बाद सी. व्हाट नेक्स्ट? ए के बाद बी हो गया, ए के बाद सी हो गया. अब बी के बाद डी, बी के बाद ई और सी के बाद एफ. सो बी के बाद डी, बी के बाद ई. आई टेक डी डाउन साइड बिकॉज मुझे सी से एफ निकालना है, डी और एफ को ज्वाइन करना है, और मैं ई को ऊपर लेता हूं. और यहां से आएगा आपका एफ. सो आई हैव ज्वाइंड डी एंड एफ. वहां से निकलेगा एच और ई के बाद निकलेगा जी, और जी और एच कंबाइन होगा. ई से निकलेगा जी और डी और एफ से निकलेगा एच. जी और एच कंबाइन हो गया, वहां से निकलेगा आई. नाउ विल नोट डाउन द नंबर्स फर्स्ट. नोड्स को नाम दे देते 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So done with the first part, and now we'll draw the table. So these are my activities. ये हमारा optimistic time A, pessimistic time B और most likely time M. ये हमारा expected time TE और this is my variance. That's it. For expected time we have got the formula. Even though we know the formula, it is supposed to be written every time while solving the problem in the exam solution. And for variance we have got the formula b minus a upon 6 the whole square. I'll just first note down the numbers from the question itself. This is my question. These are my numbers. A to I are the activities. I'll just note down the activities first. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. These are my activities, and I'll note down the numbers as it is: 4, 6, 8, 5, 7, 15, 4, 8, 12, 15, 20 and 25, 10, 18 and 26, 8, 9 and 16, 4, 8 and 12, 1, 2 and 3, and last one is 6, 7 and 8. We first calculate the expected completion time. We had got a shortcut here. We'll just calculate the average of A and B, that is the optimistic and the pessimistic time. अगर optimistic और pessimistic time का average इक्वल टू मोस्ट लाइकली टाइम आता है तो हम उसी को आंसर लिख देंगे, हम कैलकुलेशन नहीं करते बैठेंगे. सो 8 प्लस 4 इज 12 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज 6, और लेट 6 हियर. 15 प्लस 5 20 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज 10. यहाँ पे 10 नहीं है तो मुझे कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे आएगा 7 इंटू 4 28 प्लस 20 विल बी 48 डिवाइड बाय 6 विच इज 8. नेक्स्ट इज 12 प्लस 4 16 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज 8, तो लेट डाउन 8 हियर. 25 प्लस 15 40 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज 20. 26 प्लस 10 इज 36 डिवाइड बाय 2 18, तो सेंटर में भी 18 है. 16 प्लस 8 इज 24 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज 12, यहाँ पे 12 नहीं है तो आंसर चेंज होगा, आएगा 9 4 जा 36 प्लस 24 इट विल बी 60 डिवाइड बाय 6 विच विल बी 10. नेक्स्ट इज 12 प्लस 4 16 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज 8, तो आई राइट डाउन 8 हियर. 3 प्लस 1 इज 4 डिवाइड बाय 2 इज 2, तो आई राइट डाउन 2 हियर. 8 प्लस 6 14 डिवाइड बाय 2 is 7, so I'll write down 7 here. So these are my expected time, and my variance will be now, my variance calculation will be 8 minus 4, which will be 4 by 6 the whole square, that is 16 by 36. Secondly 15 minus 5, that is 10 upon 6 the whole square, which is 100 by 36. Next shall be 12 minus 4, that is 8 upon 6 the whole square, which is 64 upon 36. Next is 25 minus 15, 10 upon 6 the whole square, which is 100 by 36. Next is 26 minus 10, 16 by 6 the whole square, which is 256 upon 36. Next is 16 minus 8, 8 upon 6 the whole square, which is 64 by 36. Next is 12 minus 4, again 8 upon 6 the whole square, which is 64 upon 36. Next is 3 minus 1, 2 upon 6 the whole square, which is 4 upon 36, and last one will be 8 minus 6, again 2 by 6 the whole square, which will be 4 upon 36. So we are done with the calculations of the variance. We are done with the calculation of the expected time. I'll just note down this expected time against the numbers, against the activities. For A it is 6, for B it is 8, for C it is 8, for D it is 20, for E it is 18, for F it is 10, for G it is 8, for H it is 2, and for I it is 7. So we are done with the writing the numbers or the expected time against the activities. Now we will calculate the alternate routes and their durations. So we have 1 2 3 5 7 8. 1 2 3 5 7 8, जहाँ पे टाइम आएगा आपका 6 14 32 40 and 47. Next will be 1 2 3 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 6 7 8, which will be 6 14 34 36 plus 7 43. So now we have the third alternate route, that is 1 2 4 6 7 8. 1 2 4 6 7 8, it will be 6 14 24 26 plus 7, that is 33. let's check the routes again. Let's find out whether there are any alternate routes as such. आपका कोई भी रूट छूटना नहीं चाहिए, सब alternate routes cover होने चाहिए. I have to go from 1 to 8. So 1 2 3 5 7 8, we have 1 2 3 5 7 8. 1 2 3 6 7 8, we have 1 2 3 6 7 8. We have 1 2 4 6 7 8. There are 3 options available, जिसमें से सबसे ज्यादा टाइम आपका आया है 47. So this becomes your critical path. So I'll note down 1 2 3 5 7 8 is the critical path. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7 and 7 to 8. ये आपका क्रिटिकल पाथ हो गया. अब हमारा क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज कौन सा है? A, B, E, G and I. So my critical activities will be A, B, E, G and I. We'll note down them. A, B, E, G और I. ये आपको क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज है. अब हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे variance of the critical path will simply add the variance of this critical activities. तो अपना पहला है 16 by 36 plus 100 by 36 plus 256 by 36 plus 64 by 36 plus 4 by 36. So I'll add this all now. It will be 12.22. So I'm going to do the variance and I'll calculate the standard deviation on the next page. Therefore, standard deviation of critical path will be square root of 12.22, which I think comes to near about 3.496, which I can write as 3.5. So I got the standard deviation. I already know the expected completion time. हमारे क्रिटिकल पाथ का ड्यूरेशन था 47. क्रिटिकल पाथ का ड्यूरेशन 47, वही आपका एक्सपेक्टेड कंप्लीशन टाइम होगा. वही मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा 47 days. And now we are asked the final part in the problem कि what is the probability of completing the project in 55 days. Last part of the problem, probability of completion in 55 days. And so probability of completion in 55 days will be, I'll take my target time as 55 days. So हम लोग यहाँ पे z का वैल्यू निकालेंगे. फॉर्मूला है t minus t upon standard deviation. So my target time is 55, my t is 47, divided by standard deviation is 3.5. So 55 minus 47 divided by 3.5 will give me 2.285, which I can write down as 2.29. So 2.29 is my z value, and now I have to look in the z table or the normal distribution table to find out the area between z equals to 0 and z equals to 2.29 is how much. So my z is 2.29. So हम लोग 2.2 के 9 में 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 2.29 विद लास्ट कॉलम. सो 2.2 के 9 में आपका वैल्यू आएगा 0.4890. I'll note down this value. 0.4890 is the value against z equals to 2.29. Now I'll use this value. Therefore, probability of completion in 55 days will be 0.5 में हम लोग ऐड करेंगे कि लेस करेंगे. Because I have got the z value as positive, I'll simply add 0.4890. You will give me the answer 0.9890, that is 98.90% is the probability that the project shall be completed in 55 days. That's it. That's the problem. I'll just note down the final statement. Therefore, probability of completion in 55 days will be 98.90%. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Ekeeda.